Afternoon, folks. We're introducing this year the new T10 and T-Sub, part of our new T-Series. It is a line array as well as a point source loudspeaker in one box. It features a nominal 90-degree horn that can be rotated without removing the grill. And so you get 90 in point source mode, you're going to get 90 degrees horizontal and 35 degrees in the vertical.
John, my lovely assistant.
John, my lovely assistant. Easy enough to rotate the horn.
Do that again.
I can't, I have to go the other way. There's a little sticker here that says line. Yeah. So that you don't try and use it as a line array instead of a point source.
It also features...
This is the Chinese market.
It also features, right on the front, acoustic lenses, which allow us to expand the nominal 90-degree horn to 105 degrees when in line array mode, and when it's in point source mode, it takes the proportional directivity of the line array portion of the horn and takes it to 35 degrees. It has integrated rigging like our J series, so you're not going to lose any little bits in transit. Everything's built in. You also have 15 degrees of splay with the integrated hook to allow for easy rigging. Many of the rigging components are very similar to our E series. We have a flying bracket, allows you to put a T10 into point source mode. You can also have a cluster bracket which puts 3 T10s in line array mode that you can either hang or put onto essentially a speaker on a stick that gives you 45 degrees, up to 45 degrees of horn vertical coverage. And just so you can get the opportunity to listen to this box, with the fine German engineering, we also have a brand new tune, fresh out of the German office. Just a little bit of the T10.
It's copyright free if any other manufacturers want to borrow it for their demo.
Go to democracyforlisteners.com and you can listen to the whole thing.